Many people see my death as a tragedy. That is very wrong, in my opinion. They didn't tell you. When Apollo gave me wings, they didn't tell you that I knew I would burn in flames. I knew, you see, I knew the agony I would face, and as I fell, I knew I did it for the sun. As hot, burning wax slithered down my spine, as seductive kisses of agony peppered my skin and muscle, I laughed. I laughed as where I saw beauty, others saw pain. I loved it, you see. It was addictive. Even Dionysus would marvel at my insanity. There is no beauty without pain. And now, as I wait for judgment in the land of Hades, I ask myself, was it worth the fall for the sun? And I answer, yes, it was.